5 seconds to go. Start. Accused had left our granddaughter Farhana in our house and left for Kolakudi village. It is incorrect. When I saw the child was dead, and when I came out of the house and shouted at about 10 or 15 feet distance, Mumtaz and Asha Begum were coming. The name of my house owner is Majid. I was residing in a portion of the portico which was covered with asbestos sheet. It has only one door. As the place wherein I resided is a portico, there are no windows. When I got the idli and came back, the door of the house was closed tight. I had knocked it strongly and opened. It is incorrect to state that I had not deposed during the police investigation that on the next day at 6 am I went to get the society milk and brought the milk. It is incorrect to state that I had not deposed during the police investigation that after making the tea and giving it to my daughter-in-law, the margin accused gave me rupees 100 to get idli and that I went to the farmer's market to get the idli, and when I got the idli and was coming back through my daughter Mumtaz, she said that Abdul Rahim spoke to my daughter Mumtaz over phone. It is incorrect to state that as deposed during my chief examination, I did not mention in the complaint statement as well as during the police investigation that when I came back, the tea which had been kept for my granddaughter was as it is, and that when I asked the accused why she did not wake up granddaughter and give her the tea, she was sitting quiet, and that when I asked again, the accused said that she had killed the child. My eldest son Jamal Muhammad and my another son Samsuddin alone were sending money to be from abroad. It is incorrect to state that as Abdul Rahim did not take care of me after his marriage, I am angry with him. It is incorrect to state that in the event that my son Abdul Rahim and the accused did not take care of me, they had handed over my granddaughter Farhana to me. If it is said that on account of this anger, I and my daughter Mumtaz colluded and murdered my granddaughter, it is false. If it is said that Samsuddin, who came from abroad, had given the money, and by using his influence, I had used me and made a false case to be filed against the accused, all of them are wrong. If it is said that after hearing the news of the child's death, the accused, who came to Priyambalpur at 5 p.m. from Kolakudi village, was taken by all of us and handed over to the police, all are incorrect. The testimony of PW2 Mumtaz, daughter of PW1, assumes relevance in view of her close connectivity with the occurrence as asserted by PW1. The relevant parts of her statement read as under. The name of the daughter of the margin accused is Farhana. The child died on the 21st day of June 2007. 2 days earlier, the accused and her daughter stayed at Priyambalpur as guests. My mother is residing separately in a house which is away slightly from my house. By that time, along with my mother, the margin accused and her daughter were staying when they came to Priyambalpur. The accused and her daughter were residing in my mother's house separately. On the date of incident between 7:30 to 8 am, my mother went to get idli. When my mother got idli and went home, my mother shouted, "Stop."